Hi! So yesterday you cut out all these pieces and made 24 little teeny tiny nucleotides. And today you are going to fill out this sheet. You're going to put this on page 77 of your notebook. And then you are going to very carefully line up these nucleotides. So this first one says thymine. So you're going to take the nucleotide, the sugar, the phosphate, the sugar, and the thymine, and you're going to put it right there. Then you're going to go get a cytosine next. The nucleotide that has a nitrogen base called cytosine is next. And you're going to line them up. You're going to try and line them up really, really perfectly, so it truly looks like they go together. And then go down to the adenine. We're just going to do the first three. So there you have it right at the beginning. Now, before you get too far, make sure you don't sneeze while you're doing this. And if you do sneeze, make sure you sneeze into your shirt or into your elbow, and then go wash your hands. But without sneezing, you're going to be able to start building the complementary side of DNA, because you know the nitrogen base pairing rules. T always goes with A, and C always goes with G. So you're going to go get an adenine nitrogen base. But if you look at this, you can't stick it this way. You have to get the hydrogen bonds together and the two nitrogen bases to match up. Now that is the trick. Adenine and thymine will only get together, and you may need to trim off the edge like I'm doing. They'll only get together with their two sets of hydrogen bonds if the other nucleotide is upside down. Now, a few days back, I showed you a graphic that indicated the sugars, and we counted which carbons were which, and we said that this sugar was holding on with the 5 carbon and the 3 carbon down here. And then I mentioned that some of the nucleotides on one side were right side up, and then the ones across the way were upside down. Now you can actually see that. So your job is to actually construct, and to really be picky when you tape it down, a perfectly organized, complementary left and right side of this piece of DNA. So you're going to try and build as carefully as you can this beautiful complementary DNA with your sugar, phosphate down one side, your phosphate, sugar on the other side. Try not to get your hydrogen bonds to come from alignment, and see what you can put together. Okay, I'm going to need a photograph of what you built at the end of your building today. Good luck.